So moving on to artificial intelligence then, Kevin, what are you doing with regards to AI? Are you leveraging AI? Are you trying your best to get any of your clients or anything that you're doing to be using AI and using it to super boost what you're doing?
I leverage AI a lot, actually, and it's interesting to see that more and more clients are asking for AI generated content, or how can we leverage AI? A lot of times because their boards pressure them to do something cool with AI. So there's a bit of hype in here as well, but I actually think there's a lot more foundation than most people think. Just to mention a couple of examples, I've built AI generated programmatic SEO content for some clients. And I think there's a sloppy way that usually goes wrong, and I think there's a good way to do it. Can talk a bit more about what good means. I'm also using AI a lot in my data analysis or just kind of exploration. So one of my favorite tools these days is the GPT for Sheets and Docs Google integration, where you can bring open AI models like GPT 4.0 to your Google Sheets, and they do all sorts of crazy stuff, extract entities, similarity scores between keywords, URLs, all sorts of fun things, or just custom prompts, which is incredibly helpful. So I'm using that a ton. I think one of the most basic workflows is that I just go to ChatGPT and ask it to create regex formulas for me, or Google Sheets formulas that will take me a long time, but allow me to get more out of Google Sheets. And then there's this whole world that I'm spending a lot of time in right now of AI workflows, where, for example, you can build a sequence where you punch in a keyword, then the tool will then scrape the search results. You can then filter out certain results, like say discussions and forums, then send the machine back to scrape that content, and then use LLMs to do something with the content. So, we spoke about, or I actually spoke with a client about this earlier this morning, but things like FAQs or, article summaries, you can create that in literally minutes right now at a pretty high fidelity, where humans are actually less and less involved to get a good product.